In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an ankle stability drill, both in the beginner and advanced stages, and it's called a star ankle mobility drill. So we've got lots of balls here and lots of objects that are centered around, and the reason why I've set them up in this semicircle position is this is going to simulate my 12 o'clock, this is my 6 o'clock, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand in the middle of all of these. It's going to be my right leg that's going to be the one that taps out into all of these positions in line with the objects that I've chosen. So my left leg is then the standing leg that's in contact with the floor at all times. And this is going to bend as I reach out with my right leg to all of those positions. So the beginner way to do it would be to tap out and back in to all of the objects, okay? Like so. If I wanted to make that harder, what I could do is I could put all the weight on my standing leg. I'm going to bend, and I am now not going to touch the floor for any of the repetitions. So I would start doing the taps. Once I then get really good at that, I will just make sure that I'm doing all of the reps without touching my right leg back to the floor until I'm completely done with all my repetitions. And that would be how to work your ankle stability with the star drill. And of course, to do it on the other side, you would set up that semicircle position and you would do exactly the same going on the other leg.